Why does everyone love our mesquite bean flour? I guess you could say it's a Texas thing. Out of all the mesquite beans in the United States, Texas holds 76%. There are over 40 different species of mesquite trees around the world, and Texas has one of the sweetest, and that is our honey mesquite tree. Unfortunately, the majority of the mesquite bean flour that's sold in the United States is imported from South America. I guess you're wondering, what's the big deal about mesquite bean flour? Well, let me tell you. Our mesquite bean flour has hints of cinnamon, nutmeg, chocolate, and vanilla. Not only is our mesquite bean flour a superfood, but it's high in protein, fiber, and a great source for calcium, magnesium, and more. In Texas, 14.2% of adults have diabetes, and over 600,000 have it and don't even know it. The good news is mesquite bean flour has a low glycemic index of 25, which means this could help lower and stabilize blood sugar levels. Mesquite bean flour is so versatile. Here are some ways you can use it. Since mesquite bean flour is naturally sweet, you can use it as a sweetener, adding it to your coffee, warm water for a sweet porridge, or even iced tea. Let's not forget adding it to your favorite smoothie to add a hint of sweetness, or even sprinkling it on top of your yogurt or your oatmeal. And how about a seasoning for vegetables? My favorite is on Brussels sprouts. And let's not forget baked goods like biscuits, pancakes, banana bread, protein bars, and more. So give the gift of Texas. Cappadona Ranch mesquite bean products are Texas gold.